Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a bike that's earned respect for decades, the 2026 Honda SP125. This is one of those motorcycles that's not trying to be a hyperbike, a cafe racer, or some wild sport machine. It's a tried and true commuter with character, efficiency, and reliability that real riders appreciate. If you're looking for a two-wheeler that you can depend on day in and day out without fuss or unnecessary complication, stick around because the 2026 Honda SP125 brings everything you need and does it with class. Let's get into it. At first glance, the 2026 Honda SP125 looks familiar yet refreshed. Honda has kept the timeless commuter silhouette. Upright stance, regular handlebar, practical ergonomics, but given it slight updates to keep things modern. The fuel tank has a sharper, sculpted look compared to the previous models, and Honda has cleaned up the body panels so it looks more coherent and less blocky. The headlamp assembly now features a neat LED daytime running lamp strip, which not only improves visibility, but also gives the bike a marginally more premium presence on the road. Even the tail light and indicators have been modernized with LED elements. Simple, functional, and good to look at. Honda didn't go overboard with flash. The SP125 keeps its commuter roots solid. The ergonomics are comfortable for everyday riding. That upright seating position, mid-set foot pegs, and naturally balanced center of gravity makes city traffic feel less like a chore and more like a cruise. The seat itself is comfortable, not super cushy, but enough to handle daily riding and medium-distance rides without your back begging for mercy. Pillion comfort is decent too, the grab rail is ergonomic, and while it's not a touring bike, heading out for a short ride on the weekend doesn't feel like an endurance test. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda SP125 carries Honda's trusted 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. This engine is tuned for commuter performance, which means smooth low-end torque, an easy throttle response, and excellent fuel efficiency. Power figures are around 10-11 horsepower with roughly 10.8 Newton-meters of torque, which isn't about explosive speed, but then again, that's not what this bike is for. This is a bike that gets you moving, keeps you rolling, and rarely complains. The 5-speed gearbox is slick and light, making gear changes intuitive even for beginners. Honda's refinement here is admirable. Vibration levels are low, and the engine hums along with confidence rather than noise. On the road, the SP125 feels stable and composed. The suspension setup, telescopic front forks, and rear twin shocks is tuned for a balance of comfort and control. You're not going to get sport bike cornering here, but you will get predictable handling and a smooth ride over city potholes, uneven tarmac, and speed bumps. Braking is handled by a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, which is a sensible setup for this class. It's not race car stopping power, but it's more than adequate for daily speeds and ensures predictable, safe stopping in urban environments. Some markets also offer a rear drum with CBS, combined braking system, which improves safety by distributing braking force more evenly. One of the biggest highlights of the Honda SP125 has always been its fuel efficiency, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. Expect real-world figures in the 55 to 65 kilometers per liter range, depending on riding style and conditions. With a fuel tank capacity of around 10 liters, that translates to serious range, which is exactly what daily commuters need. You're not stopping for fuel every other day. And that alone makes this bike a wallet-friendly choice for students, office riders, delivery professionals, and basically anyone who's moving around town regularly. The instrument cluster is another place where Honda strikes a smart balance between simplicity and usefulness. The analog speedometer is paired with a small digital display that shows fuel level, odometer, trip meter, and a gear position indicator. It's clear, easy to read at a glance, and gets the job done without unnecessary distractions. This is exactly the type of interface you want on a commuter. No swiping through menus, no confusing layouts, just straightforward information where you need it. Lighting and visibility are simple yet effective. The LED headlight with DRL makes day and night riding safer and smarter, and the rear LED tail light is sharp and bright, making the SP125 more visible in traffic. Honda's choice of lighting here reflects a focus on safety and practicality rather than gimmicks. Maintenance and ownership are where the SP125 really shines. This is a bike that's cheap to maintain, easy to work on, and parts are widely available. Mechanics worldwide know Honda bikes like the back of their hand, and that translates to lower service costs and easier troubleshooting. The air-cooled engine means you won't be dealing with radiators or coolant changes, and the relatively simple build means fewer surprises at the workshop. For anyone who wants a reliable daily without the stress of complex electronics and expensive parts, this bike hits the sweet spot. Storage on this bike is practical for the class. The underseat space is decent for daily essentials like documents, a small raincoat, or gloves. Honda hasn't gone too far with gimmicks like pop-out tablet holders or built-in phone docks, but what you do get feels solid and purposeful. And let's talk about who this bike is really for. The 2026 Honda SP125 isn't targeted at thrill seekers or weekend warriors who want explosions of power. This bike is for the real world, the commuter who needs daily reliability, the student who depends on economical transport, the small business owner who uses a bike as a mobile office, and anyone who appreciates a machine that's easy to live with. It's simple, efficient, dependable, and trustworthy, qualities that matter every single day. Honda hasn't tried to overcomplicate the SP125 for 2026. Instead, they've made sensible upgrades while preserving everything that made this bike a success in the first place. The refreshed styling, smoother engine delivery, better seat comfort, modern LED lighting, and a clear instrument console all make the experience feel fresh without losing the classic essence. Now, let's run through the key specs so you have a clear picture of what's under the surface. Engine, 124cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke. Power, approximately 10 to 11 horsepower. Torque, approximately 10.8 newton-meters. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Front suspension, telescopic forks. Rear suspension, twin shock absorbers. Front brake, disc. Rear brake, drum with CBS in some markets. Fuel tank, 10 liters. Fuel economy, 55 to 65 kilometers per liter. Curb weight, 107 to 110 kilograms. Lighting, LED headlight and tail light. Instrumentation, analog plus digital combo. This is a package that makes sense day in and day out. Whether you're hopping onto the bike at dawn to get to work, running errands in the afternoon sun, or rolling home in the evening traffic, the SP125 is just easy to live with. It doesn't shout for attention, it doesn't ask for constant pampering, and it doesn't require expensive servicing. You ride it, it works, and it keeps you moving. And that's exactly why it's such a beloved commuter icon. Expected price for the 2026 Honda SP125 is around $1,350 to $1,650 depending on market and taxes. For a bike that gives you reliability, strong fuel economy, low maintenance costs, and daily usability, that's a very strong value proposition. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Honda SP125 the ultimate commuter bike for everyday life? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if